Are you tired of squinting at a tiny screen or wrestling with complicated setups just to enjoy your favorite movies? Enter the world of Ultra Short Throw Projectors. These nifty gadgets promise to turn any wall into a cinema while saving you from those pesky space constraints. In this video, we'll roll out the red carpet for the best Ultra Short Throw projectors that deliver big screen magic without the hassle. Grab your popcorn and let's dive into the ultimate viewing experience. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. WEMAX Nova, our pick for best budget ultra short throw projector. If you're seeking the ultimate home cinema experience without breaking the bank, the WEMAX Nova Ultra Short Throw Projector is your new best friend. Channel your inner movie buff as you transform your living room into a personal theater. Boasting jaw-dropping 4K Ultra HD resolution, 4 times the clarity of your neighbor's dusty old TV. With cutting-edge ALPD 3.0 and TIDLP technology, you'll savor every detail in vibrant colors. Ready for action? The Nova lets you choose your screen size, offering a whopping 150 inches of cinematic bliss, perfect for epic movie marathons or game day gatherings. Plus, with 8-point keystone correction, you'll have your image looking sharper than your popcorn. But let's talk about sound. The 30-watt Dolby Audio DTS HD speakers ensure that every explosion, musical note, and whispered secret jumps to life with crystal-clear precision. And if you fancy yourself a true audio aficionado, just plug it into your home sound system for an ear-bending experience. And guess what? The Nova isn't just a pretty face, it's a smart projector equipped with Android TV. Dive into a universe of over 5,000 apps like Hulu and Disney+, all controlled by your voice. Forget wrangling remotes, just say the word, and your favorite show is ready to roll. So, what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to the WEMAX Nova and elevate your entertainment game to interstellar heights. Number 4. LG HU85LA CineBeam, our pick for best ultra short throw projector for streaming. If you're tired of squinting at the tiny screen of your phone while trying to catch up on your favorite shows, it's time to give your living room an upgrade with the LG HU85LA CineBeam. This ultra short throw projector is like having a cinema right at your fingertips, without the sticky floors and overpriced popcorn, with a dazzling 4K Ultra HD resolution and up to 2700 ANSI lumens of brightness. You can finally enjoy vibrant picture quality, even during those daytime binge sessions. Who knew you could turn a mere 7.2 inches into a jaw-dropping 120-inch cinematic experience? Thanks to LG's WebOS Lite, you can effortlessly stream Netflix, Amazon Prime, and more, all using the intuitive Magic Remote. And with built-in Alexa, you can control everything with just your voice. Because let's be real, who wants to get up? Whether you're hosting the ultimate game night or just want to chill with a rom-com, the LG HU85LA CineBeam makes home entertainment fun and fabulous. Still searching for the perfect ultra short throw projector? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800, our pick for best ultra short throw projector for sports. If you're ready to elevate your sports viewing experience from mundane to monumental, let's talk about the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800. The ultra short throw projector that's about to become the MVP of your game day setup. Whether you're streaming the big game or binge-watching epic shows, this projector takes your visuals to a whole new level with a jaw-dropping 4K Pro Ultra HD display. Forget squinting at a tiny screen. With a screen size of up to 150 inches, you can fully immerse yourself in the action. It's like having your own private stadium, minus the overpriced nachos. And don't sweat it if your room isn't bathed in darkness. This bad boy is perfect for bright spaces, ensuring you never miss a play because of poor lighting. But wait, there's more! The built-in speaker pumps out sound that rivals that of your favorite local sports bar, while its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to your space. Thanks to its connectivity options, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI, you can effortlessly sync up your devices, enhancing the vibrancy of every game, movie, or binge-worthy series. So, gather your friends, grab the snacks, and get ready for an unforgettable viewing experience. With the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800, every night can be a blockbuster event, and every game day can feel like the Super Bowl. Number 2. Samsung Premier LSP9T, our pick for best Ultra Short Throw Projector for sound quality. If you're on the hunt for a projector that's more than just a box of flashy pixels, let me introduce you to the Samsung Premier LSP9T, your soon-to-be best friend for movie marathons and sports blowouts. This ultra-short throw marvel brings 4K HDR laser projection right to your living room, thanks to a snazzy 3-color laser system that banishes color filters forever. With a dazzling brightness of 2800 lumens, you can host impromptu film festivals on a glorious screen size of up to 130 inches. Get ready for visuals that pop like popcorn. But wait, there's more! With support for HDR10+, this bad boy calibrates scene by scene, ensuring every thriller, rom-com, or epic documentary looks its absolute best. Sure, the smart TV operating system might take its sweet time to load, but when the show finally starts, it's worth the wait. And let's talk sound. The built-in audio system makes sure dialogues are crystal clear, while sound effects dance around you, painting the cinematic picture with precision. Sure, the LSP9T comes with a wallet-lightening price tag, but trust me, splurging on this gadget means you're investing in endless evenings of top-notch entertainment. So, if you're ready to turn your space into a top-tier home theater, the Premier LSP9T is your ticket to ride. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Hisense PX2-PRO, our pick for best ultra short throw projector overall. If you're on the hunt for a projector that redefines your viewing experience, look no further than the Hisense PX2-PRO. It's not just any ultra short throw projector. It's your ticket to cinematic glory, right in the comfort of your own living room. Thanks to its advanced LPU technology, this beauty merges precision with elegance. The triple laser light source serves up a mind-blowing 107% of the BT 2020 color gamut with an impressive Delta E score of 0.9. Talk about color accuracy that'll make your old projector green with envy. With over 25,000 hours of entertainment on deck, it's practically an investment in your happiness. You'll appreciate the ultra short throw feature that turns your wall into a 130-inch movie screen without monopolizing all your space. Plus, it comes packed with 4K UHD resolution. Brilliance is an understatement. Colors pop and images are sharper than ever, making your binge-watching sessions feel like a trip to the theater. Add in Dolby Vision support for stunning hues and contrast, and Dolby Atmos with 30-watt sound, and you've got audio that's just as immersive as the visuals. And who doesn't love a projector that's got Google TV built in? Dive straight into Netflix, Disney+, and more, all while keeping the popcorn close. The Hisense PX2-PRO isn't just a projector, it's your new best friend for epic movie nights. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best ultra short throw projectors. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which ultra short throw projector you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching! We will see you in our next videos.